In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write effective OKRs with examples in ClickUp. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you typically use. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar. Here, you'll type ClickUp OKR template and hit enter. This query will help you find the template that ClickUp provides, which can be an invaluable resource for structuring your objectives and key results effectively. Once the search results populate, look for the link that says something like Get Template associated with ClickUp. Go ahead and click on it. This link will direct you to the page where you can access the template designed especially for creating OKRs. Templates are great because they provide a starting point when you're crafting your own objectives and key results, saving you time and offering guidance on best practices. Now, let's shift our focus to understanding how to write effective OKRs. The process starts with defining clear and concise objectives. An effective objective should be ambitious yet actionable. It should be specific enough that everyone involved understands what the end goal is, yet broad enough to encourage creative problem solving. For example, instead of stating a vague objective like improve marketing, a more effective objective might be enhance brand awareness among 18-24-year-olds in the next quarter. Once you have your objective, the next step is to define your key results. These should be measurable outcomes that, when achieved, signal that you've successfully reached your objective. Good key results are specific, time-bound, and most importantly, quantifiable. For example, if your objective is to enhance brand awareness, your key results might include metrics like increasing social media engagement by 20% and growing email subscribers by 15% by the end of the quarter. These key results provide clear criteria for success and help you and your team stay focused on the goals. It's important to keep your OKRs visible and accessible to everyone on the team. Visual platforms like ClickUp allow you to track progress easily, which is crucial for maintaining momentum and ensuring accountability. Regular check-ins, using ClickUp's tools to review progress, can help to keep everyone aligned and motivated. Finally, remember to be flexible and ready to adapt your OKRs as needed. The business landscape can change rapidly, and sometimes your objectives might need to shift to address new challenges or opportunities. Regularly revisiting and revising your OKRs ensures they remain relevant and aligned with your overall business strategy. By following these steps and using ClickUp's OKR template, you can create objectives and key results that are not only effective, but also inspire and drive your team toward success. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you on your journey to writing effective OKRs.